FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Razer Viper Pro Sentinels edition. Very, very exciting. So anyways, here we go. Little box it's got a little pull tab thing on it. I already cut the tape because I'm really bad at that. All right, come on, baby. Open. There we go. Really tight. Okay. We've got their dongle, their little, same one as the signature, it looks like. Nice little dongle. Okay. And we've got, ooh, oh, that's nice to the touch. I like that. That's really nice. Crisp. Let's take that. Oh, man, that's nice. That's rewarding. How does it feel on the Shogun? Wow. Damn, are these glass? That is some smooth PTFE. Look at that ring skate. Sensor skate. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. Oh, damn. Wow, that just feels good. Wow. Oh, my Lord. All right. Wow. We are in for a treat with this one. I'm excited for that. I'm excited for a Razer mouse. Holy shit, you gotta be kidding me. All right. Check it. That was the unboxing of the Razer Viper Pro Sentinels edition. This is a version 3, by the way. Man, oh man. Ooh. Look at that bad boy. It looks really shiny, but it almost has, feels kind of matte. Like it's weird. Cool. All right, that's the unboxing. Check you guys in the next one. FragWatch out.